Welcome to Healthista TV. My name's Neil Seligman. Over the next couple of months, I'm going to be guiding 7 practices, and we'll be looking at things from stress to anxiety to getting better sleep. During these practices, you'll probably be wanting to sit somewhere comfortable. You can see I'm sitting on a cushion here, but you could sit on a regular chair. If you are sitting on the floor though, it's best to raise the pelvis with a cushion, and if you might get cold, also have a blanket to hand you can pull over yourself. Today, I'll be leading a practice on anxiety. So if you're feeling a sense of anxiety today, this is a practice just to help you land in the present moment and to find a sense of calm. So we're going to start with the question, where is my breath? So I like to ask myself the question, where is my breath? Because often if I'm feeling anxious, my breath has come right up to my throat. I'm not breathing into the fullness of the lungs and the body. So just ask yourself the question, where's my breath right now? If you're finding the breath is quite tight, is there a way of just releasing the breath into the body a little bit more? Doesn't have to be the whole way, but just a sense of allow the breath to drop in. Welcome the breath back into the body. That's always the place to start. Once we've got the breath flowing, we're going to drop into our practice by just allowing the eyes to close and getting a sense of the weight of the body sitting, and a sense of the support provided by that grounding. So just get a sense of those contact points, whether you be sitting or standing or however you found yourself. Those contact points between you and the floor. When we're feeling anxious, sometimes it feels like everything's moving. So just dropping in and noticing something that's already stable, something that is already still, something that is already providing a sense of support. As we continue to breathe consciously into the body breathing the breath breathing the body, allowing yourself to become curious as to where do you sense and feel anxiety in the body. Is it in the chest? Is it in the head? The arms, the feet, the legs, the gut? Where is it? Where do you sense it? And if it's very clearly in one place, perhaps even allowing yourself to place one hand there, or even both hands. A sense of accompanying yourself. A sense of self-compassion. Perhaps just noticing that this moment is a hard moment. Allowing it to be as it is. And just bringing a little bit more space to perhaps the anxious activity of mind. Can we breathe a little bit more space towards the mind? Can we notice some of the gaps between the thoughts that are maybe worrying us, scaring us? Can we hold our sense of anxiety in a wider awareness of perhaps something that is okay? Maybe we're anxious, but we're still feeling physically safe. Maybe we're anxious, but we're still warm or comfortable. And then in your own time, just bringing a little bit of movement to the fingers, maybe the toes, and allowing the eyes to reopen.